watching channel Maths and Methods Academy. Today we are going to solve a quadratic equation with the method that is called completing the square. So let's go towards our solution. Our given equation is 3x squared minus 6x is equal to x plus 20. In this method we first try to separate the terms which are involving x. So for doing so we will subtract x from both sides of the equation. 3x squared minus 6x minus x is equal to x minus x plus 20. This x cancels with x, so we are left with 3x squared minus 7x is equal to 20. Our second step is to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So for doing so, we have to divide the whole equation with 3. So we divide 3x squared by 3, 7 divided by 3 and 20 divided by 3. 3 cancels with 3 and we are left with x squared minus 7 over 3x is equal to 20 over 3. Now we will complete the square on the left side. In order to do so, we will compare it with the complete square, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b squared. When we compare this part with a square minus 2ab plus b square, we see that x square corresponds to a square, x corresponds to a, but we don't have any 2 in the second term to correspond to the 2 of the complete square. So what we do here, we multiply it with 2 and divide it by 2. Okay, after doing this we can write the left side again, which is like x squared minus, now we have one 2 here which we will write here to correspond with this one. We have x here, this one which will correspond to a, and our remaining part of this term is 7 over 3 into 2, which is 6, 7 over 6. This actually corresponds to the b variable of the formula, and the next term of that formula is b squared. So we come to know that we have to add square of 7 over 6 to make it a complete square. And since we are dealing with the equation, so to keep it balanced, we have to add it on the other side as well. So left side is a complete square of x minus 7 over 6. And let's solve the right hand side. 20 over 3 plus 49 over 36. So x minus 7 over 6 whole squared is equal to 240 plus 49 over 36. Two 40 plus 49 is 289 over 36. Now we will apply square root on both sides. X minus 7 over 6 square root and 289 over 36 square root. Please don't forget to put plus and minus sign here, because square of plus is also plus and square of minus is also plus. So x minus 7 over 6 is equal to plus minus 17 over 6. So x is equal to 7 over 6 plus minus 17 over 6. So x is either equal to 7 over 6 plus 17 over 6, or x is equal to 7 over 6 minus 17 over 6. X is equal to 7 plus 17 over 6, or x is equal to 7 minus 17 over 6. X comes out to be 24 over 6, or x is equal to minus 10 over 6. So the two values of x are 4 or minus 5 over 3. So our solution set in this case is 4 and minus 5 over 3, which is the answer of this question. That's all for now. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe this video. Until the next time, please take care of yourself and bye bye.